everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys my Christmas decor haul, and I am so excited. I'm excited for Christmas, even though I don't know how we're going to be celebrating Christmas this year yet. So yeah, but we just like definitely need some holiday spirit. I'm excited to just, I don't know, I just want to see like reds and whites and all that stuff in this house already, but I don't start decorating until after Thanksgiving. So anyways, if you guys want to go ahead and see what I've bought for Christmas, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with Target, because from Target and Michael's I only got one thing. So from Target I got this paw print stocking, and this was $15, and I just got one for my dog because I knew last year that I wanted to get one for her, so I did go ahead and purchase one. And it's literally the same ones that we already have, except ours of course have a T and a Y, and then hers will have this little paw print right here. I don't know exactly where it's gonna go, but I just thought it was so cute. And then I also, well, from Michael's I got this little Santa countdown calendar thing, and it just says like 24 days till Christmas, and you can change the little cubes to however many days left until Christmas, but right now it's kind of like wrapped up in some plastic. And this was $20. It says on here $19.99, but I remember I got it for $12.97. They always have pretty good deals here. They have like 30% off on things, 50% off on things. So if you go to Michael's, they definitely have pretty good deals right now. So I got that. And moving on to Joann's. So from Joann's I got this little sign that says joy, and this one is definitely gonna go like right in the middle right there. And I really wanted to stick with the reds over here, kind of like how I did now. Right now mostly it's like orange because the whole TV stand is white, so I want like that pop of color. So I just thought it'd be so nice to have red be the pop of color instead of like white. So I got this little sign which says joy, and it comes on like this little wood stand thing. It kind of gives me like the boho style, which I really love, so that's why I got this. And then this one was $24.99, but again they had a sale. I don't remember exactly how much it was because I think I threw the receipt away, but I'll have everything linked down below for you guys if I can find the things. So I got this, and then I also got this little like Christmas tree thing, and it has little kind of like cream designs on there, and again it gives me like that whole boho style. And this one's also gonna go in one of those. I don't know yet. I kind of have to play with like everything that I bought and then the stuff that I have from last year, which I don't remember. So I did get this one, and again it has like a little cream thing on here. And this one didn't come with a price tag because I remember the cashier had to go get somebody to tell her how much it was, so I don't remember exactly how much it was, but again I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And then I did get these little garland things, so I got two. So the ones that I have right now are literally like the same style, so they're like clipped on by like this thing right here, like a chain type thing, so it's not like stiff where it's gonna be hard for you to like wrap around the stairs. And I really wanted to do that with these. I wanted to wrap them around the stairs just like I did with the ones that I have right now, and again they're the same style, so I really loved it, and I wanted to go ahead and buy the same style. And these were the ones that I found, and I just thought these were so cute because again I want to stick to the very traditional colors for Christmas, so like the reds and the whites and stuff. So this is just gonna go wrapped around the garlands, the railing, and this was $30, but I'm pretty sure they were each about $10, so I got that from Joann's. And then next from Marshall's I got these candles. So this one's a red one, and I love this company, the Sand and Fog ones. So I got two of these, and they're both the same smell. They're winter pine, and they just like smell so freaking good. Oh my god, they smell so good. I got these last year, and I'm pretty sure I still have them. I don't think I used them all, so this house is just gonna be smelling like winter pine. And I do like how every lid has like their own unique little like style on them and like picture and stuff. So this one, the white one, has Santa Claus, and then the red one has like a little car with the Christmas tree on top. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then this was $7.99, and so is this one. So I love getting the candles from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Home Goods because they're pretty affordable. So I got these, and then next I got this. So I thought it was funny because the same design that's on here I literally got in like real life. So this is just a card, and I've been looking for something like this for so long. I went to Target and the one that they had was like $50, and then I went to TJ Maxx and the one there was $30, but this one is like the perfect one. This one I got from Marshall's for $12.99. So I really love this, and it just has like the little car with like the little garland stuff around it and the Christmas tree on top. And then this one's also gonna go in one of those little like cubes, or like I said, it'll probably change just depending on like what I have from last year and how I want to like decorate and stuff. So I got this one, and then from Marshall's I also got this wrapping paper. So this is just like a white wrapping paper, and it just has like red Christmas trees on there. And again, I always like sticking with the reds and the whites, so the wrapping paper as well. This wrapping paper was $2.99, and let me tell you guys, so 2 years ago I went, it was like summertime, and I was at Burlington and I found some cute wrapping paper that was like 15 cents, so I bought like 4. And then last year I went after the holidays were over, and I went over to Burlington and I got 4 of these. So they're all like the same kind, they're just red and like white design pretty much, and I got these for 49 cents. Let me show you guys, where's the price? Oh, right here. Okay, so these were all 49 cents, you guys. So if you guys want to go ahead and buy stuff like wrapping paper, it'll save you not like a whole bunch of money, but it'll save you at least $12, because if I would have gotten 4 of these, it would have been around $12 because it was like $3. But since I got 4 of these, they were only like $1 and some change. So definitely go and get yourself some wrapping paper after the holidays are over. So I always do that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, but that was what I got from Burlington last year. So now moving on to what I got from Burlington this year. So from Burlington I got these 2 candles, and again they smell like Christmas trees. One is red and one is white, and they don't smell exactly like the ones from Marshall's, but they just smell really good, and I just they smell so good. I just love the little packaging, like the handle and stuff kind of gives me like that boho style again, which I love. So I got these 2, and this one, they were both actually $7.99, so they were $8. They were pretty cheap. And then I also got these 2 Christmas trees, which look like this, and these were $14.99 each. I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I just thought they were so cute, like definitely my style because of the pot thingy that they're in. And also I'm not like a big fan of the decor stuff that they have that's like glittery or fake snow where like you shake them and it's gonna fall off. But I just like couldn't pass out on these. Like just look at the little pot that they're in. They're so freaking cute, and just like the whole thing is just so cute. I really loved these. Like I said, I don't know where they're gonna go, but I just had to buy them. And then moving on to these. So I got this snowman from there, and last year I also got snowmans, and I don't know what it is, but like I'm not a big fan of like the gnomes or like Santa Claus decor. I don't know, I'm just not a big fan, so I just stick with like the snowmans. I think I have 2 from last year, but I just wanted to kind of keep it going, so I got 2 snowmans for this year. This one's on like a little sleigh, and I love his little hat right here, again sticking with the reds and whites. And then this one is so adorable. So this one you kind of have to stand, and then this one's just like this. So this one was $9.99, and then this one was $12.99. So they were pretty affordable as well. I just thought they were so freaking cute. Like I said, I don't know where any of this stuff is gonna go yet. I kind of have to like play around with these things, but I just, oh my god, I couldn't pass out on these. So I got these. Moving on to Amazon. So from Amazon I got these pillowcases because I'm tired of buying pillows and then I don't know where to put them. So I was like, you know what, let me just stick to buying pillowcases so like that I can reuse these, but like take the pillowcase off and stuff like that. So I did that. This is what they look like outside of the packaging. I know here they kind of look like a very deep red, but they're really not. So I put it on a pillow so you guys would kind of have an idea of what it looks like. So it just kind of has like lines going this way, and it's a 20 by 20, so the zipper's right here, and you just like stuff the pillow inside. And yeah, I used the brown ones that came with the sofa. So this is the one that's in there, and I just want to compare with you guys like the red. So the red from the stocking and this aren't like completely the same, which I don't really care personally, because as long as it's red, it's like it doesn't bug me. But I just wanted to show you guys like how different the red is. It's not like a red, it's more like a I don't even know. In person it looks fine. I know on camera it's kind of looking a little bit lighter than what it is, but I'll have this link down below just in case you guys are interested. And they always have like so many different pillowcases on there. The ones that I really wanted, they were out of stock, and they weren't going to be in stock till like 2 weeks from now, which I really needed it for this video. So I went ahead and just purchased this one. So again, I'll just have everything linked down below for you guys. It's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys found this video helpful and found some decor inspiration on here. I will try my best to have everything linked down below, because I know sometimes it's hard to link TJ Maxx, Home Goods, and Marshalls, because they always just have so many different things. But yeah, I'll have the stuff that I can find down below. And yeah, I won't start decorating until after Thanksgiving. I know a lot of people have been decorating already and decorated after Halloween was over, which I personally don't do. I just wait until after Thanksgiving. So I will have that video up after Thanksgiving. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos, especially because I will be showing you guys how I end up decorating my whole house. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Sunday. Bye guys.